Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is machining time calculation of lathe machine. We have seen here the one lathe machines. We know, all know, the machining time is important role play in profit structure of production part. If we reduce the cutting time, we increase the production. Ultimately, we increase the profit of company. So, in lathe machine, there are the different types of the operations. There, for example, the turning, facing, grooving, threading, knurling, that types of operations. For accurate time calculation, we need the accurate parameters. So, in this video, we will see the parameters and formulas, and also we take one example for practicing. Let's see uh, one video for turning operations. As we see the proper parameter, then we feasible also the heavy depth of cut, so ultimately reduce our production time. Okay. uh, Now we move toward to our basic formula. Our basic formula is length of cut divided by feed into spindle speed, where the length of cut is the workpiece length plus approach allowances. Workpiece length means the total length of the part into depth of cut. Means suppose we have the total length is 50 mm into the depth of cut is 2, then the total length 50 into 2 is the workpiece length. And approach allowances is the safety distance. When the cutting operation is performed, there is a performing there has a safety distance we have taken is approximately 2 to 3 mm we have taken for the calculation, but actually in practical case we have taken the 5 to 10 mm for CNC machines. And feed rate is depend upon the tooling and workpiece material. Spindle speed we all know the spindle speed how to calculate. Those belong from the uh, engineering background, they all know the pi d and upon 1000. This formula is present available on Hazra Chaudhary book. VC equals to pi d n upon 1000. Okay. uh, Cutting parameters. Cutting parameter is major role play in our machining time. First of all is the cutting speed. Cutting speed is mostly depend upon the material and tool. Suppose we have taken the aluminum material, that the cutting speed is different, and mild steel, SS, duplex steel, K110, K30, these are the industrial grades. That's the cutting speeds. According to that cutting speed, that the feed rate is also changes. Depth of cut. Depth of cut means one one pass, which how much material that remove. That is the depth of cut. That all parameter you will take from the handbook or the manufacturing recommendations. Manufacturing recommendation means we uh, you take from the on sites, and also you take from the theoretical books. That the both the options. Then we will made one table for the uh, one practical example. There is a material. There is We have taken the three materials: mild steel, aluminum, and the brass. In In three material we segregates in the cutting speed and feed. Cutting speed is measured in meter per minute, feed is measured in per revolution. In this case we will see the 300 meter per minute aluminum is higher because of their aluminum is a uh, lower weighted material. Okay, then we move to our one examples. We have taken the 50 diameters of one bar and the length of cut is 150 cutting speed is 200 meter per minute and feed is 0.3 In this case, the first there are the two steps simply. First one is a spindle speed calculate by the our PIDN upon 1000 and VC we taken as per given 200 meter per minute and the machining spindle speed we calculated accordingly. Machining time machining time is depend upon the spindle speed and the feed mostly, and according to that we calculate the 0.3 minutes. Okay, then for best practice we uh, get the approach allowances is 2 to 3 and approximately uh, we take for calculation purpose is 2 to 3 but actually it's 5 to 10 so we take middle of that is a 4 is good for the practice. Then for the improving the tool life we use the cutting speed. Then finally summary. In whole presentation we see the how to calculate the machining times and cutting speed is depend upon the materials and tools. Proper feed and speed we get appropriate time. Thank you to watching our video. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel. If you want more knowledgeable related procurement and costing video, please join our free courses.